Guys, welcome once again in another day in etc. So today we are creating a system where we want to control a three-phase motor using a direct online. So if you check out the board, you could actually see the line diagram of the system we're about to create. So this is a direct online system. So here you have your overload. Here is your stop button. Here's your start button. This is the contactor. You have the auxiliary contactors connected to your indicators. So this is your run indicator. This is your stop indicator. This is the fourth bulb, Abby, or the fourth light, or the fourth lamp, the amber. So that's that for the line diagram for direct online system. So let's go to our code. We are going to show you. I'm going to show you the code we used. So you can see this is C++ code that was used for it. I would attach a GitHub repository that has this code. So you can see the various code, the start pin, stop pin, then this for the LCD and all that. And these are the various pin mode. We use the serial to get the to communicate with the Bluetooth module. So here's the serial, and here's the function to display our command when it's on and off. So when we're done with the software, of course, we'll come to the place where we do the hardware connection. So this is the hardware connection. So here are your contactors. This is your auxiliary contactor. Here's the power source. Then here's our breadboard that we use to make the connection. Then this is the LCD. Here's your Bluetooth module. So actually this system is going to be a voice controlled system. So with the voice control, you can actually control, you can tell the motor to start or you can tell the motor to go off. So here's the various connection for the system. So currently we are going to use a voice control to control this system. So we're using the voice command system. If you can see here, we have on the board.
You know, the agreed time has finished.
You see start motor.
It's 2K.
So you see start motor, and we have stop motor, and we have emergency. So the voice control, start motor.
You don't use like 5K now.
So you can actually see that the motor has started. We use the voice control to start the motor. And on the LCD you can see motor on. So let's say we want to stop this motor. Stop motor. So you can actually see the motor is off and our system has gone off. So let's start this motor again. So we test the emergency mode. Start motor. Start motor. So currently the motor is on once more. So let's test our emergency mode. Emergency. So emergency turns off the motor immediately and displays emergency mode on the LCD. So that's that for using a direct online, using a microcontroller to control a direct online system for a three-phase motor with a Bluetooth module and a relay.